Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M23 and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open our browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome. And now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to enter the history, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. Of course, if you want to, you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is so wide, so for example from the time when you started using this device, then I highly recommend to simply tap on clear browsing data, because here we can do it automatically. And we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will remove everything, and we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks or all time. So let's tap on clear data if you are ready. And as you can see, we just got back to the history, which is right now obviously empty, and it means that we just successfully removed everything. So actually this is it. This is how to clear browsing data in your Samsung Galaxy M23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.